space. It has, around this area is all just huge open sky, basically, made of mostly methane with some other elements like hydrogen and such. And there's lots of fun stuff to do there, because Neptune has the fastest winds in the, well, all the planets that we know so far in the solar system. The winds around this area go approximately 2,100 kilometers per hour, so windsurfing is fun. You'll probably die, but it's pretty fun. Then another fun thing to do on Neptune is you can take a lift up to around there and skydive through this whole layer until you reach the inner layer right there. It's about the size of Earth. It's all liquid methane, in which you can go swimming if you want. Not safe, but it's pretty fun. Then around the core is where the natives live, the fluffies. They're basically gas clouds, because the whole planet is. And they don't do much. They're fluffy gas clouds. They float around this area, size of Earth, and that's all it really is to Neptune. It's fun to look at around this area, not to go to the Great Dark Spot. It has the roughest hurricanes and storms in the entire solar system. They go around 4,000 kilometers per hour peak, and no one's ever been there before because they haven't used Neptune yet. But they assumed it has to be it because we have telescopes that can see it. Any questions? Yes?
Well, how could it be fun to go skydiving and do all that stuff if it's dangerous?
Because some people like danger.
But you said that you'd probably die.
Some people, I guess.
Oh, I see.
It takes a little while to get down there. It's a good couple of thousand miles before you can actually reach that layer. So it's fun for a while. Any other questions? No? Hello?
How does Neptune compare to the other planets out there?
It is one of the bigger planets. The like I think I said before, the little black core that says Earth, then around there, I think is the size of Uranus. So it's not that big, but it's one of the bigger ones.
So you're saying the core of it is the same size as the Earth?
Yeah.
So it's that much bigger than the Earth?
It's a lot bigger.
Okay.
But it's not one of the biggest ones. It's up there, the bigger ones, but it's not the biggest one.
Okay. Grace?
What is that? Why is that layer like darker blue than the other one?
It's darker blue than the other one because it's more dense methane, kind of, and it's all the other elements like hydrogen and helium in gas form. Any other questions? No?
Did you say why there are these intense storms? What causes it to have
I believe they're intense storms because of all the gas. This entire part is all gas, so there's lots of room for like winds to pick up speed and start going fast. There's like more room to cause bigger, faster winds than anywhere else.
Now, is the core solid?
Yeah, it's all solid iron, basically. But just both the rest of the planet is all methane. It's a methane planet.
Go ahead, Grace.
What's that little area for?
What?
That little focus fraction area, what's that for?
Oh, you know what? That was my mistake. I wanted to do that to the person beforehand, so thanks for pointing that out.
So
Aaron,
what do I do then?
Aaron, nothing. That's for Aaron.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Would it be possible to like go to Neptune and like is it cold or hot?
It's pretty cold, and it rotates pretty fast, so it'd be hard to get there. But if you were on there, I guess you could survive if you had like a suit that's resistant to methane, because it's not that poisonous, I guess.
So say like an astronaut could go there and not die.
Probably, but it's pretty far away from Earth. So, but if we could get there somehow, we've got fast enough spaceship, we could probably go there.
Like the spaceship faster than the speed of light.
When you say it's pretty far, what do you mean by that? And when you say pretty cold, what do you mean by that?
By pretty cold, I mean it's average in the negatives. It's a negative 14 or so is the average. Then it's far away. It's I forget the exact measurement because I'm not good at numbers and such, but it's pretty far away from Earth. It's not quite a light year, but it's a good couple thousand kilometers.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No? Okay.